Hey guys, I need a new Keurig machine. You see this? This is like driving me crazy. Crazy. Like, this is ridiculous. So I have to like shut this off. Put this up. Turn this back on. See if I can get a new Keurig machine like eventually, because this is driving me crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna shut this. Push the button. Oh my god. See? You're gonna get something? Come on. Come on. There we go. Gotta get a new one of these things. I'm gonna die without one. This is one of the best things that I bought my mom. Yeah, I bought this for my mom. Me and Katina, we got this for my mom. Because, yeah, for Christmas. And as you can see, I use it a lot. See how she sounds? Ugh, I'm gonna die without it. Maybe I need to see if Bob can fix my Keurig machine. If it's possible.